Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elyada. Today, we're focusing on easing that persistent cough and soothing the tickle in your throat, allowing your body to find comfort and calm. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your body begin to relax as you prepare to enter a deep state of calm. We'll begin with a gentle induction to help you let go. I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, you'll open your eyes briefly, then close them again. Each time your eyes close, your eyelids will grow heavier and you'll feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. 1. Open and close. Feel your body start to soften. 2. Open and close. Your eyelids are becoming heavier. 3. That's right. Relaxation flows through your body now. 4. Open and close. You feel peaceful and calm. 5. Halfway there. A wave of calm spreads through you. 6. Open and close. It feels so natural to let go. 7. Deeper now, your body feels lighter and more relaxed. 8. Open and close. Your breath is steady, your mind clear. 9. Almost at the bottom. Feeling serene and at ease. 10. Your eyes remain closed, your body deeply relaxed, ready to receive. Now imagine yourself in a soothing space, a quiet, calm room bathed in soft, healing light. This light flows gently around your throat and chest, washing away any tension, irritation, or discomfort. It's warm, comforting, and deeply calming. As the light continues to flow, it feels as though your throat is wrapped in a protective blanket of ease and softness. You feel safe, calm, and ready for the healing process to begin. Your body has a natural ability to heal and restore balance. That tickle in your throat, that persistent urge to cough, these sensations are now softening and fading. You no longer need to fight them or resist them. Instead, you simply let them go. They begin to dissolve and drift away, and soon you forget they were ever there. With each breath, imagine your throat becoming smoother, calmer, and more relaxed. Every trace of irritation melts away, replaced by a soothing sense of comfort and ease. If there is anything deep within, a hidden reason for this cough, perhaps resting in your subconscious, you now allow your inner mind to recognize, revise, and release it completely. Let your mind quietly guide this process, resolving what needs to be healed without needing to understand how. Stay silent now for a moment, trusting your mind to perform this incredible process of healing and restoration. You feel a wave of ease flow through you, silencing the urge to cough and replacing it with lasting comfort. Your body knows exactly what to do. You trust its wisdom to restore balance, releasing any cough and bringing calm and clarity to your breath. Let's anchor this transformation with 3 affirmations. Repeat them silently or out loud. I breathe easily and freely. I release the urge to cough and feel calm. My throat is clear and the tickle is gone completely. Feel the power of these affirmations anchoring deeply within you. Your throat is clear, your breathing is calm, and your body is aligned with healing and balance. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers or toes, take a deep breath, and slowly open your eyes if they were closed. Thank you for joining me today. This is Elyada with HypnoCloud.